What if I told you that saving $10,000 in the next 12 months is not only possible, it is actually simple? No matter what your salary is, no matter where you live in America. In this video, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step system that thousands of Americans are using to save their first $10,000. Stay till the end, because step number 4 is the one that will completely change the way you think about money. Step number 1 is knowing your numbers. Most Americans have no idea how much money they actually spend every month. Studies show that the average American wastes over $1,500 every single month on things they do not even remember buying. So here is what you are going to do. For the next 7 days, write down every single dollar you spend, every coffee, every Uber, every subscription, every impulse buy. At the end of 7 days, you will be shocked at where your money is actually going. This one exercise alone can save you $200 to $500 every single month. Step number 2 is cutting the big 3. There are 3 expenses that are draining most Americans dry every single month. Number 1, subscriptions. The average American pays for 12 subscriptions, but only uses 3. Cancel everything you have not used in the last 30 days. That is an easy $100 to $200 saved every month. Number 2, eating out. If you eat out just 3 fewer times per week, you will save $300 every single month. Number 3, impulse shopping. Delete shopping apps from your phone right now. Studies show this one action reduces impulse spending by 40%. Step number 3 is opening a separate savings account. This is the most powerful thing you can do. Here is why. When your savings are in the same account as your spending money, you will spend it. Open a completely separate high-yield savings account. The best ones right now are Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, and SoFi. All of them give you 4 to 5% interest with 0 fees. Move your savings there the moment your paycheck arrives. Out of sight, out of mind. And your money is growing while you sleep. Step number 4 is automating your savings. And this is the game changer that nobody talks about. Here is the simple math. To save $10,000 in 12 months, you need to save $834 every single month. That is $28 every single day. Set up an automatic transfer of $834 on the same day your paycheck hits your account. You will never see the money. You will never miss the money. And in 12 months, you will have your $10,000. Automation removes willpower from the equation completely. You do not need discipline. You just need to set it up once. Step number 5 is stacking extra income. Look, cutting expenses only gets you so far. The fastest way to save $10,000 is to also increase what is coming in. Here are 3 ways you can make an extra $200 to $500 this month. Number 1, sell things you do not use on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Most Americans have $500 worth of stuff sitting in their house collecting dust. Number 2, pick up 1 extra shift or do overtime if your job allows. Number 3, start a simple side hustle like delivery driving, freelancing, or selling digital products online. Every extra dollar goes straight to your $10,000 goal. So there you have it. The exact 5-step system to save $10,000 in the next 12 months. Know your numbers. Cut the big 3. Open a separate account. Automate everything. And stack extra income. Start with just one of these steps today, and I promise you will never look at money the same way again. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Cash Flipped right now, because every single week I post simple money tips that will help you build real wealth. Comment below, how much are you trying to save this year? I read every single comment.